Hello Group 202, this is weekly feedback video for the week of June 8th. So first I'm going to talk about the worksheet that we had to work on regarding the sea creature. This was supposed to test our creativity. So for that worksheet you were supposed to draw a sea creature and color it in as you'd like. And then you were supposed to write a few sentences describing this creature of yours. So for example, the first sentence on the worksheet asks you to name it. So you would say, my sea creature is a blank, and then give it a name. Then, on the second line, you would talk about its size. So you would say it's big, small, whatever it may be. Then you would also describe its color. It's yellow, it's green, it's whatever color. And then below that, you would say it's got blank. So it's asking you to describe its features. It has 3 eyes. It has a lot of toes. Whatever features your creature may have, you would write there in a complete sentence. On the next line, it's asking you what it hasn't got, so things that it does not have. So if your sea creature does not have wings, you could say that. It doesn't have wings, maybe it doesn't have legs. And it's completely up to you. Okay? Then you would talk about its diet. It eats blank. It eats trees, it eats vegetables, whatever it typically eats. Again, you're using your imagination for this. Okay, and then on the next line, it can blink. So here you would fill in any special abilities that it may have. It can run really fast, it can stay underwater for a long time, whatever special traits or abilities it may have. And then finally, it can't, things it cannot do. So it cannot disappear, or it cannot survive without X thing, whatever it may need to survive. So that's generally what you had to do for that worksheet, just to clear that up. Moving on, we also had a worksheet on friendship. Specifically, I'm going to go over the answers for exercise 2, where we had to complete sentences after completing the worksheet. And we had to use one of the words in the word bank for the word search to complete the sentences. So the first sentence, a good friend always laughs at your jokes, is what you should have entered there. Second sentence, a good friend helps you do your homework. Third sentence, a good friend knows all your favorite things. A good friend never lies to you. A good friend shares things with you. A good friend listens to your problems. A good friend lends you books and games. A good friend always finds time to be with you. A good friend doesn't get angry with you. And finally, a good friend is always kind to you. So, in that case, this concludes our weekly feedback video. That's all we had for this week. Next week, I will see you all again with feedback about those assignments. As usual, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, until next time.